Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pronounce Reishi mushroom. Start by listening closely to each syllable and then repeat slowly. Break Reishi into two parts and practice the vowel sounds separately. Use a mirror or record yourself to compare tone and rhythm. Practice common phrases like Reishi tea or Reishi supplement until the sounds feel natural. Keep practicing for a few minutes daily to build confidence and clarity. Say each part clearly. Start with a long vowel for the first syllable and a softer vowel for the second. Focus on smooth transitions and avoid pausing between syllables. Use slow repetition to train your mouth and tongue for the exact sounds. Try saying Reishi mushroom in a sentence to get comfortable with flow. Repeat each sentence several times until the pronunciation becomes relaxed and natural, like everyday speech. One frequent error is shortening vowels or adding an extra consonant, which alters the name. Another is stressing the second syllable, making the word sound awkward. Listen to native pronunciations and match the vowel length and stress. Slow practice helps eliminate bad habits and creates consistent muscle memory. If you notice a repeated mistake, isolate that sound and repeat it in different words until it feels right and automatic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.